You want to write something, but you have no inspiration. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 quick ways to find inspiration so that you can start writing. Stay tuned. Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to A Writer's Corner. My name is Lysa, and I am a mom of 2 who made the switch from teaching to library work so that I can have time for my kids as well as be creative. I use this channel to educate you on writing and all things self-development. So, let's get started. Today's topic is how to get inspired to write. In other words, how do you find inspiration in order to write something? To begin with, if you're struggling to write, you may have writer's block. So let's see what that is. According to Oxford Languages and Google, writer's block is the condition of being unable to think of what to write or how to proceed with writing. Writer's block is a big deal when you really want to write, when your dream is to see your published novel or blog or article in the hands of readers. And you may have experienced this many times over if you're watching this video. And I get it, when it comes to inspiration, we're hoping for something quick and fast. And when we look at, let's say, a movie version of it, the writer just sits at their desk all day and ponders. They wait for inspiration. And in actuality, that's not how a writer gets inspiration. They actually have to act rather than wait. My favorite authors admit that they actually travel, go to the cafe, or just get out of the house in order to find some inspiration. And you don't have to do exactly that, but you do have to start acting in order to get your own inspiration. Here are 3 ways to help you get inspired to write. 1. Watch a screen. I know, terrible advice from a mom and ex-teacher. This is because inspiration comes when you least expect it. It doesn't come when you want it to, just like a job opportunity. However, you still have to be on the lookout for it, just like you would as you continue searching for a job. And one of the best ways to do so is by watching something, from a movie to a TV show to an episode of your favorite YouTube topic. Something may click in your head as you're viewing your program. Personally, I've gained blog and future novel inspirations from watching Doctor Who and YouTube. A word, phrase, or sentence may spark inspiration in me, and suddenly I'm writing. You try it. 2. Read a book. This one is easy, too easy, as reading and writing go hand in hand. If you want to write or get better at writing, you have to read. Easily, you're building your vocabulary. But most importantly, this not only puts you in the head and mind of another writer, metaphorically, but you're viewing their writing style and deciding your own writing style. And the writing becomes a part of your subconscious. You will subconsciously start mimicking these authors who inspire you to write. And note, when I say mimic, I'm not saying plagiarize. I have a list of a few books that have inspired me to write. I'll link it down below so that you can view that video too. To reiterate, instead of watching TV or YouTube, sorry, number 1, pick up a book. Your greatest inspiration may come while you're reading, well, let's say Shakespeare or Dogman, your choice. And 3, go on a walk. This tip goes back to tip number 1, watch a screen. As you're walking, you may pick up some inspiration, such as a conversation between strangers, animals playing in their natural habitat, or the feeling of the sun or the breeze on your skin, to name a few. Personally, I don't like walking with nature. Minnesota summers are hot and humid, and winters are snowy, icy, and miserable. I don't like the weather here. Therefore, if I need to go out of the house and go on a walk, I go to the mall. There's actually this pretty dead mall that my little family likes to go to because there's not a lot of people and not a lot of cars. There's plenty of space for my kids to run around in, and my husband and I get to enjoy one another's presence just by walking and chatting. Oh, and there's even rides for my kids, and the shops that we enjoy are all at this mall. It's actually worth it for the walk. In conclusion, to gain writing inspiration, you have to do something. Movement and activity is actually going to help you get inspiration faster than sitting at your writing desk, waiting for inspiration to happen. I challenge you to get out of your chair, bed, office, or wherever you are and change up your scenery. This may actually help your writing get started, continued, or published. Good luck. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment box below, how do you find inspiration when it comes to your writing? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another one. Bye.